Hi ma'am, we are from Medgate today and we have a few questions for you. Like ma'am, how can we motivate young girls to work in different career fields in today's scenario?
Hi. So in today's scenario, I think we can really support women first by giving them a very supportive family environment where girls should be open to speak about their challenges if they're facing any. They should be given a very supportive emotional environment. They should not fear expressing themselves emotionally. So when you are able to express yourself emotionally, you get a different kind of confidence, and that confidence helps you in moving forward and making better choices for yourself. But if a child is repressed through growing years in expressing themselves or in making decisions for themselves, they're always influenced by other things, by for not taking their own decisions. So definitely they will not show enough signs to be taking responsibility. So the very important thing is that they must take responsibility, and for them first step is the family environment. So that's the first support. Once they go out, then definitely they can go out with confidence, they will make choices, they will consider other options which are not very traditional in nature. Because of that comfort zone, that safety, they prefer the traditional careers. But now with growing scenario, with so much of technology, so many options coming up, there is a whole lot of career to choose from, and where they can invest the minimum time period to get trained or the maximum, depending on the career you are choosing. And definitely it will come with your aptitude also, what you are looking at. So that's what I feel.
And ma'am, what according to you is the biggest hurdle for women in entrepreneurs which they are facing, like in a male-dominated society?
That's a very good question. I'm a woman entrepreneur myself. So I think when it comes to men, people tend to, they have more faith. They are given more support in terms of the ecosystem. Whereas if it's a female entrepreneur, so people don't take them very seriously, especially when it comes to the finances, when it comes to the investment, when it comes to making choices. So they always want to look at who are you supported by. Like, is your husband supporting you, or is there some male support in your business, or is it only you taking decisions? So I think that's very important that they are given that kind of environment where women are equally trusted for their innate qualities, because they are homemakers, they are taking decisions there every day, and they're shaping the future of their child. It's a very important job, it's a very important responsibility. So if they can do wonders there, they can do wonders in the business also. So people should show same kind of faith and trust as an entrepreneur.
Ma'am, one more last question. Like, what financial advice will you give to young women who want to build their careers and families?
Okay, I think for women, I would say first to be career focused on their career and start in early stages about learning about the financial literacy, like what is money, where you can invest. I mean, you can make small investments and you can learn about it. That will give you confidence in taking bigger decisions in your life later. So I think learning about financial literacy and focusing on your career first, building a name for yourself first before getting into any other thing into life. As a relationship coach, as a trainer, especially I want to say this to girls, that please focus on your career before getting into any relationship.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.